Hello and welcome to this episode of Gardening. Today, we'll be talking about the art of gardening and why it's a great way to connect with nature, improve your health, and even save the planet. First, let's talk about the benefits of gardening. Studies have shown that gardening can have a positive impact on mental health. It can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Gardening can also improve your physical health by increasing physical activity and reducing exposure to pollutants in the air. But gardening isn't just about the physical health benefits. It's also a great way to connect with nature and learn about the environment. When you grow your own food, you're actually learning about the cycle of life and how things grow. You can also learn about different plant species and their uses. Another benefit of gardening is that it's a great way to save the planet. By growing your own food, you're reducing your carbon footprint and helping to mitigate climate change. You can also reduce your reliance on store-bought foods by growing your own herbs and vegetables. Now, let's talk about the basics of gardening. If you're new to gardening, there are a few things you should know. First, you'll need to choose a location for your garden. Look for a spot that gets plenty of sunlight and has good drainage. You'll also need to choose plants that are appropriate for your climate and soil type. Once you've chosen your location and plants, it's time to start planting. Start by making a hole for each plant using a garden fork or trowel. Fill each hole with soil and press down gently to secure the plant in place. Water your plants regularly and be sure to provide them with the appropriate amount of sunlight and water. Finally, once your plants have established themselves, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. You can eat the vegetables you grow, give them to friends and family, or even use them in your cooking. In conclusion, gardening is a great way to connect with nature, improve your health, and even save the planet. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's always something new to learn. So why not give it a try? You might just discover a new passion and a new way of life.